Going to do a example of AutoCount with eTakeoff. We'll use a fixture. So I'm just going to create a fixture here. I'm going to go with the saved assembly. Oh, actually, I already had this loaded. So a 2x4 lay-in. I had this preloaded over here, and I'm just going to zoom in with my mouse wheel and put a box. Oh, actually, I skipped a step. You need to go to drawing and hit start resume on this, the pattern start or continue a pattern search, or you can like right click down here and add to quick access bar, which is this bar along the top. So no matter what screen you're on or the ribbon, typically this one probably, you could always just come up here and click this and hit start. And then it initiates this where it says draw a rectangle. So I'm going to draw a rectangle around the shape. And I'm going to give it a name by clicking edit. I'm just going to put 2x4 in for now. You can put whatever. I'm going to switch this to count. Points, I'm going to say let's do circles. That color works. Okay. Search all 4 rotations, search immediately, and entire drawing. Search entire drawing. Review %60, the default is a good number to start with. You probably won't need to play with that. Hit search. So this takes a few seconds, depending on the drawing. Okay, so it finished, and now I can go through and look at the AutoCount results. Those all look good, and these were kind of close match, but because they're not highlighted green, they are not part of the count. So now I will click save. All right, now I can zoom out and see everywhere it counted. It looked like it got them all on that. And then I just right click on one of them and say return to estimating. And now I've got 32 here, and I just do F2 takeoff. So let's do one more fixture. This time I'll do let's do F2, 2x2. I'll hit the E. I hit the pattern search up here that I added. I hit start. I'm going to zoom into this right here. Oh, I messed it up, didn't I? There. And highlight that. Just name it 2x2 and count and circle. I'm going to go with a different color this time. Okay, okay. Normally it auto selects the color if you're not doing auto count, but auto count, you need to select it. If you want to change it, and search. All right, so I see it picked up these, so I'm just going to deselect those, and I'll click save. I'll come over here and look. Looks like it got everything. And I can right click and return quantity to estimating and F2. Now, if for some reason later down the road I notice that something was missed, like let's say I feel a 2x4 lay-in was missed, I can click on the existing count, click the A key or add points, and let's just say it's over here. And I'm going to hit S for stop. Now we've added an extra. So over in EBM, in the tools eTakeoff, it will pick up on that addition, and you could just hit F2 takeoff, and it will add that to the existing takeoff entry.